Hey friends, here's how you play Measurement Mystery. You are working at a bake shop. You're looking at some recipe cards to write down what you need to make these delicious recipes like chocolate cupcakes and fresh bread and strawberry cupcakes. But the problem is that the recipe cards are really confusing. They're supposed to tell you how many cups of each ingredient or how many tablespoons of each ingredient, but instead they tell you how many groups, and they have long number sentences instead of telling you how many that recipe makes. So you're going to sort out these recipe cards by figuring out what number they are talking about. So if we look at chocolate cupcakes, I'm going to find chocolate cupcakes on my recording sheet here. Alright, so chocolate cupcakes makes 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So I need to figure out what number of cupcakes that is, and I can write it in the square for chocolate cupcakes of how many it makes. Then I can look at the ingredients for cocoa. My cups of cocoa powder is 7 groups of 2. So if I take the number 2 and make 7 groups of 2, I could even flip on the back of my paper and draw that out. So 7 groups of 2. Here's 2, here's 2, here's 2. 1, 2, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 rows with 2 in each row. I can count this up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I have 14. That's going to be 14 cups of cocoa. So I can write 14 down here. Now I need to look back at my recipe card to see how much flour. I have 2 groups of 8 for my flour. So I can draw that out on the back. I need 2 groups of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my 2 groups of 8. Now I can count them up. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 2 groups of 8 makes 16. That's going to be 16 cups of flour. So you figure out how many cups or how many tablespoons you need for each recipe and write it down on the card, and then figure out from your number sentence how many each recipe makes. And that's how you play this game. Have fun.